Hi friends, hi family, hi my new subscribers. Welcome back to Rachel Faraja's Delights. I'm so happy to just be here. It's been a minute. I know it's been a minute, but I am sorry for missing, but life was happening and things have to be taken care of. Today's recipe is kebab. We are preparing kebab. It's one of the easiest things you can do with your mincemeat at home, and I want us to go straight to the recipe as I show you my ingredients and the steps. So stay here, keep subscribed, and support us financially. Join our membership, join our super chatters, do all those nice things for me, and enjoy the recipe. And please be sure to try it, because why not? Okay, straight, I would like us to dive into our ingredients of today. I'm in a hurry, as you can tell, but I'll take you step by step. We have our mincemeat that is thawed. This was frozen. This is how I freeze my mincemeat. Once I buy it in the larger quantities, I subdivide it, and whenever I need to use any, I unfreeze it. And then we have onions. This gadget today saved me so much because it gave me the perfect size of onions. These are 2 large onions, and they will be doing us a good job. The next thing I have is 6 eggs, which we are going to be using. I just left them like that so that I can beat them once we start the recipe. The other thing we are going to use here is breadcrumbs. I have done a shot of how I've done these breadcrumbs just from bread. They are homemade. I'll make sure to put the shot so that you can watch. We have chopped coriander or dhania, and then we have garlic, we have ginger, we have a mixed curry. We're going to have some salt. So let's go straight to cooking this, and then we are going to use my pot, my non-stick pot. So the recipe we are using today does not call for uncooked meat. We use cooked minced meat because I've tried the other recipe and this is a better one for me. So I'll introduce you to this one for today. So after cooking your mincemeat for about 3 to 4 minutes, it will change color from the red color to this brown color. So at this point, I will go on to add my onions, and then I added my ginger and garlic paste, all just at the same time. Just mix a bit, then add the next. That's the mixed curry, the spice that I use. You can do paprika, curry powder, and black pepper, or just feel free to go about what you need to use. On to the mixing stage. We now are going to be mixing the mincemeat and the breadcrumbs that I showed you, and then we also put the chopped coriander because the flavor they release in the meat kebab is just amazing. And as I started to work on the mixture, I realized that my breadcrumbs were not going to be enough. So I took other 5 slices and I grinded them, and I was able to add them to this mixture so that it can be compact. The other thing about mixing this, just make sure that it's firm enough. You can add a bit of flour, you can add a bit of the egg, but for me I chose to go with the bread because the taste also is enhanced by using more breadcrumbs, and it gives a very lovely taste afterwards. So that's what you see me doing there, mixing. Yes, you can use your gloves or use your mwiko, but this is the one that gives you the feel of how far you've gone. So now it is on to the shaping stage, whereby you scoop a bit with your hand, then you shape it just, a shape of a kebab. If it is round, I think it will be a meatball, but now we are making a kebab, so we have to shape it into a sausage-like shape. And the best way is to shape them, do a step at a time. If it is shaping, shape them first. If it is rolling in the dough, rolling in the flour, roll that again, and you will be able to attain your perfect shapes. I also did not tell you as we began the recipe that we need frying oil, and we need this all-purpose flour for dusting and ensuring that our kebab is compact and it is binded together so that it does not fall apart when we are cooking. So I'm just demonstrating how to mold this in case you would want to know that, but quickly we are moving into the next stage so that we can be able to fry them up. So this was lovely. This recipe is so nice. I really enjoyed it, and it's something you can do for breakfast. You can do this for dinner. You can do it for lunch, midtime snack. Anytime should be kebab time, because it's a very easy recipe to go about. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and if this is your first time, feel most welcome in this home. So the next stage is to dust it off so that we can enhance the binding. Dust it off in the all-purpose flour. Just make sure that it doesn't carry excess flour as it comes from here, because we don't want it to taste of the flour at the end of the day. So after that is done, remember we have our the egg mix that we did. I added salt to mine so that at least the top cover will not just be plain, and then roll into the egg, fry it. Just ensure that the oil is hot enough, not too hot and not too cold, because not too on the lower side, because it will soak a lot of oil into the kebab. So this is it. And then if you want to attain a fluffier feel on the end, you can continue rolling in the egg mixture, then you fry again. You can repeat even up to 4 times, but for me 2 were enough, and it gave me a very nice mix, a very nice finish, as you would quickly see in the next step. So this is how you do it. Imagine just that, and you're done with your kebabs, and then you can enjoy them at home and enjoy them with your family and your friends. So this is it. I think I was just trying to show you that you can continue to deep fry them. At least you finish the first set, then now you do the second round. You can do the second round after you are done with the first set, also to be sure that the egg mixture will be enough for the whole entire process. So keep repeating that, add up to until you find it flavorful and also fluffy as you would like. So there is me, and here is our finished output. I enjoyed mine with potato and a garden salad. I've done a recipe for that, and as you can see from the inside, it's so well cooked. It's compact yet not over compact. You get what I mean? It's just like the right texture for this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Keep it here. God bless you.